Sarang Base, dahil sinabi ko na may chance para sa inyo to win merch from Disney Plus. Thank you so much to Disney Plus. Meron tayong mga Disney Plus shirts, pullovers, and Perfect Crown posters.
Yes.
Kailangan nyo lang sagutin itong tanong that I'm gonna ask, of course, Chance and Monica as well, which is, ano ang pinaka nakakakilig para sa inyo? And if you answer that, please include the hashtag Perfect Crown Disney Plus and hashtag It's on Disney Plus PH. So you have until June 3 to answer that question and include the hashtag, of course, and we will be getting in touch with you so that you would know how we can ship those prizes to you. Okay, alam kong napakadami niyan, Sarang Base. Galingan nyo na lang pumili. Pero ngayon, kailangan kong malaman. So, ano ang
Nakakakilig.
nagpakilig
Oh my
sa
gosh.
inyo?
Oh, how to choose?
Yes!
I think one for me. Madami. Pero parang yung nag-stand out sa akin. And I think ito yung moment kasi na parang literally he stood by her side. Yung she attended the banquet. And as the commoner, siya yung nasa dulo mag-isa. Tapos syempre, nilaban pa niya, naka-pantsuit siya nun eh.
Oo.
Hindi ako mag-handbook. I'm gonna be the modern self that I am.
Yeah.
Tapos parang inaano na siya doon. Parang inaalipusta na siya. Naalipusta na yung mayamang babae. Tapos, init na siya, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos si Debbie Mama, parang hindi maglakad-lakad pa tayo kasi init na
Oo.
girl. Init na init si girl, ganyan. Tapos biglang dating si Prince Ian. Tapos tinabihan siya, tapos kinuha siya. Tapos naglakad sila sa front.
Kinuha siya. Ba't parang baby?
Ganun kasi.
Well, maliit lang din naman si Ayu.
Diba? Tapos dinala siya sa harap. Kasi parang, since commoner siya nga yung nasa dulo.
Oo.
Pero since kasama niya siya, ihaharap
Straight to
kita.
the top.
Straight to the front. Na parang ako like, oh my God, that's
That's hot.
the man I need. DK, nasan ka na?
Bring me to the front
Bring me to the
barricade.
Hindi, barricade pa din.
Oo, doon lang. Hanggang
Hindi
doon lang.
man lang dun
Nasa
sa
stage pa rin
nagpas na
siya.
barricade
Oo.
eh.
Wala man lang backstage pass.
Correct.
Barricade.
Correct.
Grabe, sobrang nakakakilig din talaga yun.
Super.
Tapos parang very unexpected din kasi yung pagdating niya.
Diba?
Tsaka alam mo kasi yung mga court ladies, mga chismosa lang.
I know, they're so cute.
Mga
Diba?
atribida.
Diba?
Right.
Lahat sa may mga chika-chikang ganon. Kaya sobrang fantastic yung parang damsel in distress and then suddenly saved by a literal prince.
Correct.
Because why not? Ano
I
nakakilig
liked,
sa'yo?
I actually like when they were back in school. Dun
Oo.
sa archery
Oo.
range. More of like, kasi, cute-cute na parang, oh my God, may history! Ganon. So, Tapos yung cute yung yung, what's that sequence? Yung, nakita niya ata na nagpa-practice si Weiju.
Oo.
Tapos parang nagtatago siya.
Oo.
Parang, hindi niya alam kung magpapakita siya or hindi.
Aww.
And then sa epilogue, nakikita pala siya ni Prime Minister.
Oo.
So, already established na may something na, may love triangle na
Yes.
whatever.
Aw.
And I also like the one when they kissed in the bakod. The bakod.
Oh.
The palace, wall. Kasi
The
parang,
first time.
kasi yun yung, well, yun kasi, kaya di ka ba naman mo-hook? Kasi ang daming mga, yung na-off guard si Ayu na, what is this?
Oo.
Mag-approach siya
Yeah.
na parang halikan ba niya ako? Tapos biglang he asked for a kiss.
Oo.
And then biglang after the kiss, biglang sinabi niya na may camera kasi,
Oo.
tingin ka dito, blah, blah, blah.
Oo.
So, alam mo yun, the entire time, at least in the first half of the drama, napapaasa ka rin.
Yeah.
So, push and pull siya. So,
Yeah.
how can you not be hooked by
Exactly.
that, diba?
And ang ganda kasi nung follow-up ni Madam Mayordoma na lagi niyang kasama, na parang, when one time the prince jumped over the wall.
Ay, true.
And I didn't know that it was because of a maiden.
Oh,
Parang ganun. You
he
can
had
also-
the biggest smile.
Yeah,
Yeah, ganon.
diba? You can also jump over the wall. I'll turn a blind eye.
Oo.
Oh, ganda-ganda!
Grabe.
Sobrang nakakakilig.
Cute.
Ako, yung most rewatched scene ko talaga is the yacht scene.
The yacht.
Kasi ang ganda nung build-up eh.
Yeah.
As in para sa akin talaga, the whole storytelling of that, na parang, from the dinner with Debbie Mama, Ayu being protective of Wusok na
Oo.
parang tara na, alis
Ay,
na tayo.
oo nga, may
Tapos
ganun.
lalabas na sila. Tapos parang si Wusok parang, I don't wanna stay here. Tapos parang si Ayu, sige, sumama ka sa akin. Let's go
Oo.
for a drive.
Oo.
Tapos yun nga na parang si Wusok,
I'll
yung
make you
monologue pa
fly.
niya na
Oo.
basically, kasi kaming mga royals, hindi kami pwede mag-bike, pero pwede kaming mag-drive.
Oo.
And I love driving because it makes me feel like I'm free. I feel like I'm flying. As parang si Ayu,
True.
gusto mo bang lumipad?
Oo.
Okay, dadalhin kita sa yacht. Ano nangyari? Pero, sige, sakyan natin.
Oo.
yan. Tapos like the whole moment na parang si Ian was like saying na breaking protocols. Na parang first, bawal siyang lumabas ng palace na pag nagsara na yung palace doors. So, umalis siya. And then next, well, supposedly, pwede man siya mag-drive. Pero going on the boat, eating food that is not from a verified restaurant. So, parang si Ayu, parang sinubo lang sa bibig niya na parang, you're dating me nga. Is that not enough?
Correct.
Diba? Yung mga ganun. So, parang all of these na sunod-sunod na parang rebellions. And then suddenly, yun na nga, yung parang nung nag-Titanic na silang dalawa at nahulog sila for that kiss. As in, sobrang that whole sequence talaga, parang ang ganda for me because it's so clear until the very end, para sa akin yung pinaka-thesis niya, rebellious love.
Yeah.
And I was like, wow, love can be rebellious, I guess if you're a royal. Pero 'di ba, parang in so many ways, parang yung sinabi din niya at the end that you are my revolution. Oh my God.
I was gonna say, that was one of the best lines I've heard
Right?
anywhere.
You are my revolution.
And
Like,
kasi
I
totoo pa,
fell in
kasi
love.
prince.
Correct.
The
Hindi ko yun
moment
pwede
I-
sabihin sa asawa ko eh. Walang wait, di ba?
revolution.
Di ba?
Correct.
Or sabihin mo kay DK, walang
You are my revolution.
Pwede ni Mon sabihin
Oo
kay
nga,
Dino
di
kasi
ba?
parang ikaw yung napili ko out of many. Ganon.
So, kailangan ko pala ng conflict in life.
Oo, parang grabe, sobrang ganda.
Diba?
Sobrang ganda.
Balik
for
ko
me.
lang yung sa yacht. Yung so, make out na sila.
Oo.
Na, una of course, alam natin na Ian wanted this. Pero yung pinaka nakakilig sa akin part was when she let go and just went for it
Oo,
too.
sumunggab si ate.
Correct.
Kasi parang, eto na.
Oo.
Dito na tayo sa exciting part. Parang ganon.
Pero take note, at the end, ang sinabi ni Ayu na in love siya nung wedding day. So yung yacht, wala lang yun.
Oo nga
Tawag
eh.
ng laman
Oo
lang.
nga.
Kasi naman yung character ni Ayu, marami siyang gino-jowats, dinadrop niya.
Ah, correct.
Diba?
Mga ano nga.
Oo, may ganun pala siyang history.
Feeling ko naman yung wedding day was confirmation lang. Na, oo, mahal
Speaking
ko
of
talaga to.
confirmation, just to add lang, isa yun sa mga parang kilig moments for me, yung first time sa naghalikan kasi confirmed na bet nila yung isa't isa. Kasi ikaw, ang galing kasi maghumalik nito eh.
Grabe siya
Alam mo,
umalik.
oh my
Grabe
God.
talaga.
Oh my God.
Grabe talaga.
As
Parang
in,
ano talaga. As in, parang kaya niya lamunin yung buong ulo mo.
Diba? Alam mo yung, tas yung mukhang yan,
Grabe.
tas yung lips na puckered.
Oo.
Sir.
Lamon na lamon lagi si Ayu.
I
As
know.
in,
Oh
Sharap.
my God. Ay, hindi nakaka-process.